Good afternoon, students. Today we will learn the assignment number 3, which is based on date function mainly, and some underscore number to care these functions. Let's start with the assignment number 3. Previously, I have already done the assignment number 1 and 2 with the table client master. Connect system, password system, connected. Now, first question is add 500 rupees to balance due of the client table. The city is Bombay using to underscore number function. Actually, to underscore number function is used with the character data type, which is converted into number data type. So first I'm showing you what the table client master content. Select star from client underscore master. Let me increase the size. Set client size 100. Next again this is the table which I have. Now we will add this balance due 500 rupees. So for that I have to write this query. Update command, update client underscore master set balance underscore due equal to balance underscore due plus 2 underscore number. I have to use 2 underscore number function for, as the question has mentioned, that 2 underscore number 500 will be written in the character format. So inside the quotation where client where city like Bombay. Zero update. 1 minute. Bombay. 3 rows updated. 3 Bombay was there, so 3 rows updated. Show the system date in the format of month dd yyyy format using 2 underscore char function. So for this query, I have to write select command, select sysdate, select 2 underscore char inside the bracket sysdate, comma month, comma dd, comma yyyy from dual. Actually, date format is by default date format of the SQL is Oracle SQL is dd-mon 3 character month and 4 yyyy digit. So if you want to change this format into our own format, so you have to use 2 underscore char function that will convert the date function, date value into a character format which I have mentioned there. Okay. Now add a column date of joining. To enter the date of joining, teach client master table. So already I have created this table for some purposes. So let me drop the column first. Drop column, alter table, drop column, dog. Alter table table name, client underscore master. Actually, I am showing some student for that, so I have to write down the column, that one. They will alter. Now I am adding the column now. So for adding a column is alter table client. You need not to write the dot command. Okay. For as I have created previously this column, so I have dropped it, and now I am editing again, writing the command for adding the column. Alter table client underscore master add DOJ and date. Date is the data type. No need not to mention any range value for data type. So table alter. Now if I see the table client underscore master, so date column is there. Now I have to input the date value. How to input the date value? Update command, update client underscore master set DOJ equal to single quote ampersand DOJ. Single quote is mentioned as date is the character data type. So DOJ should be in single quote, where client underscore number like single quote ampersand C 01 client underscore number. Okay, semicolon. So it is asked for DOJ. So I have to write in this default date format 25 December DEC 1998 for C01. One row updated, again slash, last command is running 15 AUG 1997 for C02. C02 is already, we have deleted the Tamil Nadu. Now for the Tamil Nadu value state, so there's that, in that case 0 rows update is showing. Again slash, next date is 14 Feb 1980 for C03 updated. Next date of joining is 17 June 1982. Line number is C04. So on row updated, and last value is 29 August. So 29 AUG 1987 for C05. So we have updated the data table. So if you want to see the select command, select star from client underscore number, comma DOJ from client underscore master. Sorry. So sorry, select from, select star, select client number DOJ from client master. This is the table. This is the value. For some reasons, add 2 months to the DOJ of each client of the client master table. If we want to increase the month only, 2 months add to the date function DOJ, you have to use some function for that. Question is that for some reason, add 2 months to DOJ of each client of the client master table. You have to increase the month by 2. So output will be December. For December, it will be February. For February, it will be April, like that. Okay. So select or update client underscore master set DOJ. No, set, I have to use a function add months. So set add underscore months inside the bracket DOJ equal to comma 2 from client master. Sorry, from set DOJ equal to add underscore months. 4 rows updated. Okay. Now if I write the select command, select star from client master, not star, select client DOJ only. I am putting the DOJ only. Client master, client underscore master. Will show that each has been increased by 2 months. Next question is to find out the last day of the current system month. select last underscore day bracket inside bracket sysdate from dual. Previously, you know the dual function calculate from the system is a system table. So it is coming at 31st December 2024, the last day of the month. Find out the number of months between these two dates. So select months underscore between, give the two date February and April. Both are one is 2014 and 2015. So you have to give the highest value before, then the lowest value. Otherwise, it will come in the negative. So you have to write select months between bracket 2nd April 1st. So insert command quotation 0 to APR dash 2015 quotation close comma, then again quotation 0 to Feb 2014 from dual 14 months. So now the next Thursday after today. So select next underscore day Thursday from dual. So select valid arguments. Select. No, next underscore day now. Select, I think. It will be select next underscore day sysdate comma Thursday from dual. Yes, 2nd January 2015. 25. So find out the next Thursday is the command. Two arguments I have to pass, only the sysdate and the Thursday, next Thursday, which is the required thing. Show the client whose date of joining is greater than 14 December 1990. So select client, select what is the table client name, I think is there. Client name, only name. Okay. Select name, comma, DOJ from client underscore master, where DOJ greater than inside single quote 14 December 1990. Okay, output is there. Show the client whose date of joining is between these two days. So we have to write select name and date of joining where DOJ greater than 01 OCT 1987 and DOJ less than 01 OCT 1997. This is the output. Display the client details and day on which the client joined. You have to find out the weekday name of the client whose date of joining according to the date of joining. So you have to write select client select date of join, select, I have to write the weekdays. So I'm writing only taking the client underscore number and the to underscore care doj inside bracket day quotation inside quotation day from client underscore master. It is converting the date of joining from it is taking the date of joining field and day name is extracted from that field. Next is the sort the detail client details in order of date of joining. So select client number and date of joining doj from client master order by doj. This is in the ascending order, and if you want to print in descending order you have to write desc. So this is descending order. List the date of joining client of the clients in the format dd month y format. So for that I have to again use the toChar function to underscore char doj comma single quote dd month y from client master. This is the output. Find the date 15 days later from today's date. This is simple. Select sys date plus 15 from dual. Display the client name for those who joined in the month of June. Okay. So select name comma doj. I'm printing also the doj from client master from client underscore master where doj now where to underscore char bracket doj single quote mon like June. No row selected. June, there is no employee in the June. You have joined in the June. If you want to print Feb, so it will be the output. Display the difference between highest and lowest balance due. This is also simple query. Select max balance underscore due minus mean balance underscore due from client master. Client underscore master. So we have completed the assignment number 3. In the next session we will do the assignment number 4, which is a practice sessions of the all that I have learned. If you like the video, you can share it with your friends and classmates. Thank you.